Hello everyone, welcome to Roni Tuitions Maths has fun. Last video that we read about that mean and mode. Today in this part number 2 we are going to learn the median. Median means the basics of that median on ungrouped data. It is already one video is there in the playlist. Please check that video. Then we are going to the grouped data from the textbook, that from the NCERT textbook of the class 10th. Now let's taking the example of the question number 1 in that exercise. So it says, the question says it like this: the following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers. Total consumer is 68 of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode. Mean and mode already we completed in the last video of the data and compare them. So now we are going to learn only median by only the grouped data. Ungrouped data already in one video is there playlist. Please see that video so that you can understand well in that. Otherwise some concepts are there that you will not be understand that what is the n by 2, what is the CF, how to make the CF, like that one. So please say that last video in the playlist is there to understand more in that how to find the median of that. So it is given the CI, it is given the F. So for finding the median we have to find the CF. CF means what? Cumulative frequency. Now it is given the CI given 65 to 85, then 85 to 105, then 105 to 125, 125 to 145, then 145 to 165, then 165 to 185, then 185 to 205. This is the CI, it is given in the book. Now F given, frequency also given. So what is the frequency? Frequency given for the class interval of the 65 to 85, 4, then 5, 13, 20, 14 and 8, 4. These are the given the frequency of this one. Now we have to find that first CF. CF means what? Cumulative frequency, CF. How to find the CF? We are writing first frequency as it is. First frequency as it is written. Now we are adding and writing 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Now again like this, 9 plus 13 is equal to 22. You can see the arrow mark which numbers are added, so that will become the frequency of that. This is the 4, 9, 22, and then this one, this to this I'll adding. Now 22 plus 20 is equal to 42. Next 42 and plus 14 is equal to become the 56. Then 56 plus 8, it is become the 64. And 64 plus 4 is will become the 68. As already said in the question, here it is the 68. The total frequency 68. So we are writing n by 2 is equal to n by 2 in 68 divided by 2 is equal to 34. 68. This frequency is called the n, last one, total. Otherwise you will add it all like this. This also will come the that 68 only. So n by 2 means 68, last frequency CF by 2 34. Now we have to see 34 in which number it nearby. So 34 it goes to the 42, in that nearby it is. This is the 22 is the less, so that here not going, but 42 is the nearby only number, little higher number we are thinking. So this number 42 in front of that now frequency is the what? F is equal to 20. CF is equal to what? Just above that one, just above which is the nearby of that is called the CF. Now this 34, it is nearby numbers are the 42 because of 22 is less than 34. So 34 goes near the 42 in that. So just above that is called the CF. In front of that is called the F, and this is called the L. This is called the L. Now we are writing the formula. What is the formula for finding that median? Median is equal to L plus into n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Again telling, CF means cumulative frequency, F means frequency, and h means height. So now what are the numbers we already know? L is equal to, in that L is equal to what? L is equal to 125. L is equal to 125 in that. N by 2 how much we got? N is equal to, we got the 34. Now CF means just above that number. So above that number is the 22, and the F is what? 20 in this, and H how much height? In the last video, mean and mode we read, in that I said to what is the H. So what is the difference between the CI? So there are 65 to 85, 85 to 105. There are the 20 gap are there. So H is equal to 20. Now this value we are just keeping to the in formula. L is equal to what? 125 plus N by 2 34 minus CF is equal to 22 by F is equal to 20 into H is equal to what? 20, already 20. Now this 125 plus 34 minus 22 is equal to 12 by 20 into this height of 20 cancelled by 20. So 125 plus 12 remaining. So 135 plus 12, 125 plus 12 is equal to 137. The median of this given data is 137. Now in that mean also asked, mode also asked. So for finding the mean and mode, please see the last video, part number 1 video, in that how to find the mean by the 3 method: direct method, assumed method, and step deviation method, and how to find the mode, that also given in that last video, part number 1. Please see that one if anywhere confusion is there. Now we are going to question number 2. Question number 2 says if the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, already median given in that, find the value of x and y. In that CI given, frequency given, in that somewhere x and y written, we have to find the value of x and y. We are writing first the CI and the another one, that is the F. Then we are making the same, we are following the same method. So here I am writing the CI is given the 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and this much only. Now F given, in that F it is given that 5, then X, then 20, then 15, then Y, and then it is given the 5. Now we have to follow that, we have to find the CF we are doing. CF what we are doing? In that last question we learned it, first starting as it is writing, then first and the first as it is written, that one diagonally we are adding 5 plus x, it will become the 5 plus x, it will become the 5 plus x, then 5 plus x plus 20, so it will become the 25 plus x, because of 5 plus 20, 25 plus x, then 15 and 25, it will become the 40 plus x, it will become, then 40x plus y is become the 40 plus x plus y become, then 40 plus 5 become the 45 plus x plus y. This will become the frequency in that CF. Now it is already given that median is equal to, it is given, median is equal to given the 28.5, already median given in that. Now we have to find the what is that our n by 2 formula, n by 2. So n by 2 means if we are dividing it by 2, then it is total is the 60 is there in that. In that question it is written total 60. It is the total given in the question, given it is the 60. So we can write it like this: 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. Then we can write x plus y is equal to 60, and this number will go that side, so it will become minus 45. Then x plus y is equal to how much remaining? 60 minus 45 is equal to it remaining 15 remaining. X plus y is equal to 15. This is equation number 1 we got in that. Now this is the, we are keeping in the where it is comes numbers, x plus y, and that n is equal to n by 2. N by 2 is equal to what? 60 by 2, because of already given it is 60. So 60 by 2 is equal to 30. Now this 30 number goes where? This 30 number goes in that. Now backside said that a little higher. So here we are thinking 40 plus x, but here the more it will become. So 25 plus x, this will be the, in that it will go nearby this number. So this will become the CF, this will become the CF, this will become the F, and this will become the lower limit L. And H is equal to already 0 to 10, it is the 10. Now we are writing the formula. So median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. This is the formula to finding the median. Now we are keeping the values into it. This is the question number 2 in the textbook. L is equal to how much? L is equal to 20. L is equal to 20 plus N by 2. How much we got? N by 2 we got the 30. 30 minus CF. How much is there? CF is 5 plus x, means 5 plus x, and then divide by the F. F how much? F is the 20, and H how much is there? 10. Now we are writing in that. So we can write it like this: 20 plus 30 minus into minus into plus minus into plus minus x by 20 into 10. Now we can write 20 plus 30 minus 5, 25. 25 minus x by 20 into 10. Now this we can cancel by this way, by 2. Now this is already, it is given in that median. How much given? 28.5. It is given the 28.5 given it is. So we are writing the as it is 28.5 it is given. Now we can write 28.5 is equal to this number 20 plus 25 minus 2 by minus x by 2. Now we are, this number we take and go this side, so it will become the 28.5 minus 20 is equal to 25 minus x by 2. Now 28.5 minus 20 is equal to 8.5. 8.5 is equal to 25 minus x by 2. Now we are doing the cross multiplication. So we can write it like this. Here suppose that 1 it is. By doing the cross multiplication, 8.5 to the 17. So 25 minus x is equal to 17. Then minus x is equal to this number will go that side. So it will become the 17 minus 25. Then minus x is equal to 17 minus 25 is equal to minus 8. Minus cancel. Then we got x is equal to 8. We got x is equal to 8 we got. Now we first only we found that x value. One equation we found. The equation was that x plus y is equal to 15. In that x plus y is equal to 15, if we keeping the x value inside it, x value we got, what we got? X value we got the 8. That 8 plus y is equal to 15. Then y is equal to 15 minus 8. Then y is equal to 7. So we got x and y value. What is the x and y value? X is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7. That were the, in the question we can write here the x is equal to 8 we can write, and here y is equal to 7 we can write. So this frequency will become the completed. Hence this is the answer of the question number 2 in the textbook. Now we are going to the question number 3. Question number 3 of the textbook. Now question number 3 what says? Question number 3 it says that, question number 3 says, a life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of age of 100 policy holders. Total policy holders is 100. Calculate the median age. We have to find the median. If policies are given only to person having age 18 years onwards, means above the 18 year but less than 60 years, that only will given the question it is given that table given in that below 20 years to below 25, below 30, like that it is given the CI given, and this is the F given. Now we have to write this one CI, and it is given already ki 18 years above. So CI, here is the F. CI it is given the 18 to 20 we have to write first. Why? Because of it is already given the 18. Already given 18. Having age 18. Age 18. Total is 100. Total is 100 above 60 in that. So we can write, then it is given the 25, then 20 to 25, then 25 to 30, then 30 to 35, 35 to 40, then 40 to 45, then 45 to 50, then 50 to 55, then 55 to 60, not more than 60. Now f given, in that f it is given the 2, 6, 24, here it is given 24, 45, 78, 89, 92, 98 and 100. Total already it is given 100, means it is not the f, it is the CF. It is the CF. Already CF only given. Total is 100. Because of it is in increasing order it is. I come to know it is CF. Why? How I come to know? Because of it is in increasing order number only. There is no decrease. First one we done. First we done in that somewhere increased, somewhere decreased. 4, 5, 13, 20, 14. See, increase, decrease. Then again decrease, again decrease. So this is the F in that. So we can done the CF. But in this case, what is there? In this case, already it is increasing. 2, 4, 2, 6, 24, 45. See, continuously increasing. So this is the, we have to find the median of that. So first of all, n by 2. N by 2 is equal to what? 100 by 2. 100 by 2 is equal to 50. 100 by 2 is equal to 50. 50 in which number it goes? So 50 goes, it is the 45 to less, but 478 is more. So in this it is goes. In that it is goes. So this is the L. This is the CF. Now we have to find the F also. We have to find the F. We know L is equal to 35. CF is equal to 45. Okay. N by 2 is equal to 50. Our formula says L plus N by 2 minus CF by F. This F and this F not given in this. We have to find that into H. H is equal to, in that 5 are there. H is equal to 5. Now we have to find the F. F how to find? Already that time we learned the F. To find the F to CF we are adding. Then CF to F we are subtracting. Subtract we have to do. Because of F to CF we are adding. Then CF to F we are subtracting. 2 as it is written. Now 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Then 4 minus 24 is equal to 20. 45 minus 20 is equal to 25. 78 minus 25 is equal to, it is become the 53. Now no need to calculate total, but we are calculating 89 minus 53. 89 minus 53 is equal to 36. 92 minus 36. 96 minus 32. 36 is equal to 6 1 carry. Then 5 56. Then 98 minus 56. 98 minus 56 is equal to 42. Then 100 minus 42. 100 minus 42 is equal to, it will become the 58. So here 58. Now like this, 2, 4, 20, 25, 53, 36. See, increase, decrease, increase, decrease, increase. So this is the F in that. So what is the F? In that F we got that this is the, in that side came. So this is the F in that. This is the F. F is equal to, we got the 25. F we got 25. Now this values we are keeping into the formula. So formula says L what? 35 plus N by 2 how much we got? 50 minus CF. CF is what? 45 by F is what? 25 into H. H is equal to what? 5. So 35 plus 50 minus 45 is equal to 5 by 25 into 5. Now we can cancel it like this. 5 and 5 25. This is cancelled. 1 came. 35 plus 1 is equal to 36. So the median of this given data is the 36. So this is the question number 3 in the textbook. Question number 3 in the textbook. Now we are going question number 4 in the textbook. And that question number 4, what says in the question? Question says the length of 40 leaves of a plant, total are, that is the CF, and N is equal to 40. Leaves of plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter, and the data obtained is represented in following tables. Now in the table, what is the given here? 118 to 126, 127 to 135. It is here 126. Here it is 127. It means it is the CI. The class interval is not in the continuous. So first of all, we have to make it continuous. Let I am writing the question total. Then already it is given the data need to be converted to continuous classes for finding the median. Since the formula assumes continuous classes, the class then changed to 117.5 to 126.5, 126.5 to 135.5, and so on. And the frequency does not change. Now I am writing that directly, that CI only in that. CI it is given the directly CI given 116.5 to 116.5 to 17, sorry, 117.5 to 126.5, then 126.5 to 135.5, then 135.5 to it will become the 144.5, then 144.5 to it is become the 153.5, then again next 153.5 to it will become the 162.5, then 162.5 to it will become the 171.5, then 171.5 to 180.5, and that is. Now frequency it is given in that, frequency given 3, frequency 3, then 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. This is given the frequency in that. Now for this purpose we have to find the CF. And how to find the CF? CF means diagonally adding. Same first one as it is 3 as it is 3, 3 as it is 3, this as it is. Now this and this we are adding it. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. 17 plus 12 is equal to 29. 29 plus 5 is equal to 34. 34 plus 4 is equal to 38. 38 plus 2 is equal to 40. Already it is given n is equal to 40. Then n by 2 we are finding n by 2 is equal to 40 divided by 2 is equal to 20. Now in the 20 way, which number it goes, which is nearest? So 17 is the less, but 29 is the more. So this number here it will goes. So this number to become the F, this number become the CF. This is the CF, this is the F, and this will become the lower limit L. And H, that H become, what is the difference between that? So difference between that is 117.5 to 126.5. See what is the difference? 126.5, 117.5. So 0.0, it is become the 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. Then it will become the 9. So difference is equal to 9 in that. H is equal to 9. H is equal to 9. L is equal to, it is given, L is equal to how much it is? 144.5. Then F is equal to 12 and CF is equal to 17. Now we are writing in the formula. The formula says median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Then median is equal to L value given in that 144.5 plus n by 2 we go to the 20 minus CF is equal to 17 by F is equal to 12, H is equal to 9. So 144.5 plus say 20 minus 17 is equal to 3 by 12 into 9. 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12. Now we go to 144.5 plus that is 9 by 4. 9 by 4 or 9 by 4, 9 divided by the 4 we are doing. So 9, 4 2 ja 8, 1 reminder, point kept, 2 kept, 2, then 8 again it will become the 2 reminder only, 2 reminder, so it will become the 20, 5 ja the 20. So 2.25, 144.5 plus 2.25, if we are adding it, so it will become that, it will become the 144.75. So this is the median of the given data. Next we are going question number 5. The question number 5 says in that There are the total 7 questions are there. Question number 5 says that the following table gives the distribution of the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. So n is equal to 400. Find the median of the lifetime of a lamp. Now in the CI given, F given, next lighting the CI first. CI. It is given that CI given 1500 to 2000, 1500 to 2000, then 2000 to 2500, then 2500 to 3000, then 3000 to 3500, then 3500 to 3500 to 4000, and then 4000 to 4500, then 4500 to 5000, then 5000 to 5000. The last 5000 only is there. Now F given, frequency given in the book. The frequency what given? 14, 56, 14, 56, then 60, then given 86, then given the 74, then given the 62, then given the 48. Now these are the total. It is saying that it is the 400 lamp. N is equal to how much? N is equal to 400. Now we have to find the CF. First CF finding. So CF finding 14 as it is writing. 14 plus 56 is equal to 70. 70 plus 60 is equal to 130. 130 plus 86 is equal to 200. See here, 130 plus 86 is equal to 1 carry 216. 216. Now 216 plus 74. 74 adding. Then 0, 9 and 2, 290. 290. Then 290 plus 62 adding. Then it will come that 352. Then 352 already it is written 400. So last it will be 400. Now n by 2. First we are finding n by 2. N by 2 is equal to what? 400. Because of this is the 400. Otherwise in the book also directly given in the 400. Divide by 2 is equal to 200. Now this 200 nearest which number? 130 is the less. Then 216 is the more. In that number is go. So this number it will in front of that number it will called the F. Above number it is called the CF. And just front of that is called the lower limit. That lower limit and difference is the 500. So L is equal to 3000 in that. Then F is equal to 86. CF is equal to 130. Then and H is equal to 500. Now we are keeping the formula, just turning the page and finding that formula. I know you are understanding very well. So please like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new one. And by sharing the video, you can help out your other friends also. They can be capable to do it, the sums. Now we are writing the formula. In that formula, what is the median is equal to? Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now L how much? L is equal to 3000 plus N by 2 how much? N by 2 is equal to 200 minus CF. CF how much we got? CF we got here. CF is equal to 130. 130 by F. F is equal to 86. F is equal to 86 and H is equal to 500. H is equal to 500. Now we are solving it. 3000 plus 200 minus 130 is equal to 70. 70 by 86 into 500. Now we are cancelling it. Otherwise we are writing it. Cancelling means we are cancelling by the 35 twos are 3000 plus this cancel by 35. This cancel it will become the 4 and 3. 43. This is the prime number, not cancel upon, into 500. Now we can write 3000 plus 35 5s are double zero kept, 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17, 1 17,500 divided by 43. Now 43 we are adding it, this dividing 3,000 plus dividing it and writing 17,500 dividing by the 43, then number will come. If we divide it, this one number dividing, then it will come 406.97. You can divide and you can see. Now we are adding it, so it will become the 3,406.97. This is the median of that one, otherwise lifetime of the neon lamps. Now we are going to the question number 6 in this exercise. Question number 6 says that 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory and total is 100. N is equal to 100. And the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabet in the surname was obtained. This is the CI. Okay, 1 to 4, 4 to 7 like this, and this is the 6 F. Determine the median number of letter in the surname. Find the mean. So mean already we completed in that last video, part number 1. Please see that one. Number of the letters in the surname. Also find the modal size of the surname. Modal size means mode also you have to find that you can see the last video, part number 1. Mean and mode already it is there in that. Please see that one so that no confusion will be there. Now we are going to write, first we are going to write the CI. It is given 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 3 gap are there in that. 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 7 to 10, 10 to 13, 10 to 13, 13 to 16, 13 to 16, 16 to 19, 16 to 19 that are there. And F, CF or F, it is given the 6, then given 30, then it is given the 40, then it is given the 16, then it is given the 4 and 4. It is the F only. Why? Because of it is increase then decrease. So F only. CF we have to find out. How to find the CF? First number as it is 6, as it is 6 written. Then 30 plus 6. 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. 36 plus 40 is equal to 76. 76 plus 16 is equal to 92. 92 plus 4 is equal to 96. 96 plus 4 is equal to 900. Already n is equal to 100. It is said in the question also. N is equal to 100. We are finding n by 2. N by 2 is equal to 100 by 2. 100 by 2 is equal to 50. Now 50 number goes to in which number? So 36 is less, 76 is more. In that number it goes. This is called directly just in front of that. This is called F. Above that one, that is called the CF, and in front of that is called the L, and H is equal to 3. Already what is the difference between the numbers? That is called the H. Now writing formula, L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. That is the median is equal to that formula. So L is equal to how much? 7 plus N by 2 how much we got? 50 minus CF how much is there? CF is equal to 36 by F is equal to how much? 40 into H is equal to how much? 3. Now we are doing 7 plus 50 minus 36 is equal to 14. 14 by 40 into 3. This we can cancel. 7 by 20. So 7 plus 7 by 20 into 3. Now we can write it like this. Next, 7 into 3, 21. 7 plus 21 by 20. 21 by 20 we are doing. 21 by 20 we are dividing. It is become the 1 ja. Then it will become the point kept, 1 0 kept, not going 0 kept, 100 5 ja. So 7 plus 1.05. 7 plus 1, 8.05. This is the median of that numbers. Otherwise, it contains the letters, alphabet numbers of English alphabet numbers are 8.05. For finding the mean and mode, please see the backside in the playlist video that you can see. Now we are going to the question number, last one in that exercise, question number 7 of this exercise, in the median exercise. Now question says that determine the distribution of below given the weight of 30 student. So n is equal to 30 student of a class. Find the median weight of the student. Now total n is equal to 30. CI given, F given. Now we are going to find the first writing CI, then F. CI it is given that 40 to 45. 40 to 45, then 45 to 50, then 50 to 55, then 55 to 60, then 60 to 65, then 65 to 70, 65 to 70, then 70 to 75. 70 to 75. These are the numbers. F in that given, F given 2, 3, 8. F given in that 2, 3, 8, 6, 6. 2, 3, 8, 6, 6, 3 and 2. These are given that. Now we have to find the CF. How to find the CF? Already many times said that first number as it is written, then first diagonally adding 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 6 is equal to 19, 19 plus 6 is equal to 25, 25 plus 3 is equal to 28, 28 plus 2 is equal to 3. Means n is equal to 30, then n by 2 is equal to 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15. Now 15, near number is the 19, so this will become the F, this will become the CF it will become, and this will become the median class, lower class. Formula L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H, or H is equal to 5 in that, because of difference is the 5. 40 to 45 5 difference, 45 to 50 this is also 5 difference. L is equal to given the 55 plus n by 2 we got the 15 minus CF we got the 13, F we know the 6, and H is equal to 5. Now 55 plus 15 minus 13 is equal to 2 by 6. 2 by 6 into 5. 2 by 6 is equal to 3. So we can write 1 by 2. 55 plus 5 by 3. 1 by 3 means 5 by 3. 5 1 ja 5. 5 by 3. Now 5 we are dividing it by the 3. So 3 1 ja 3. 2 remainder. Point kept. 0 kept. 6 ja 18. Again 6 6 6 6 only it will come. 55 plus 1.666. And friends, so it will become the 56.666 in print. This is the model median of this class. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe the channel, share the video so that you can help your friends also very well, and read well, do well. Thank you.